Every business needs forms, contact forms, intake questionnaires, quote requests, surveys. Instead of paying for Typeform or JotForm, if you're using Opsette, you can just use our full form builder, which is built right in. You can find forms inside of your apps. Pop over here. You can build them custom or use one of our templates. Rather than collecting submissions from a third-party form and then trying to get those submissions into the space where you need them, everything, as usual, is right at your fingertips in Opsette. Each form can be in draft mode while you're building them and then publish when you're ready to share. You can see all of your forms here in the Forms Hub or Showcase, and you can see which ones are published or which ones are drafts and how many submissions each have received. Let me build an event registration form so that we can look at our builder. So inside of our builder, we have a left side field component here where you can grab the fields that you need. This is a drag and drop interface. For example, if I wanted to add 2 columns here and put first and last name side by side, all I have to do is drag and drop. If I didn't want the column component anymore, all I have to do is delete it and it would still keep the first and last name, just like that, but I think I do want it. Cool. We have a phone number field, email address. I believe this is a number field. You can update the helper text. You can modify the placeholder. You can make the field required or not, and set up conditional logic. So show or hide this field when another field has a certain value. When you're finished building the form, you can style it by going into the form settings. You can update the form name, change the description, which shows at the top of the header of the form. Update the success message, add a redirect URL if you want, and then you can select some styling options here. I'm going to choose the wave. You could change the submit button text and the submit button color, and set up a notification email. Oops, that's my name. Cool. Once you're done with all that, you can save your form. You can publish it. Actually, I could have previewed it first. So here's my form with all my waves, first and last name side by side. Most fields are required. I didn't check phone number, special request, and here is our register button. Since my form is published, I have the option to embed it anywhere I like. So I can see the embed code. I can make the background transparent and remove the header and branding if I want. And I could paste this in any page, even a website builder if I want. You can even include your forms in your Opsette storefront builder for your own custom website. Just copy this code and drop it in the iframe. For some forms that include select options, if you view submissions, like let's look at my Opsette beta program submission. This is a demo, but I can see the submissions here. I can look at all of the entries for that submission, and I can even go in and view analytics for that form. And that'll show me data and trends for the replies that we received. I can go back to manage forms, see which of my forms are live and which are drafts, and then again just see a list of the submissions, go to analytics for any of the forms and see when they were last updated. So that's Opsette Forms. You build it, style it, publish it, embed it, track every submission right where you manage everything else. No more third-party form tools here.